Hey everyone, Ethan and Owen here. Today we are in the old aluminum tub and we're out on the lake. It's a beautiful night as you can see, and we were just getting ready to go for a ride. As you can see, the water is calm as glass tonight. And Owen has got his Canada hat on, as you can see. About Owen in the boat, he always leans over the side, so you got to be careful when you're going fast. All right, guys, let's see if this thing will go. Ready-o? Its motor really moves when the water is as calm as it is tonight. That's actually the moon coming up right over the hills. Well, the sun is still just going down. What are you doing? So this is just our old aluminum tub. This thing is nice to get around on. It's got a seat here and a seat there, so it can comfortably sit up to probably 3 people, 2 in the front, and the driver back here. There's the moon. Definitely quite the sunset tonight. Well guys, the sun is pretty much almost down, so I think we'll get going again. Stay in the middle, Owen. Well, make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more good adventures like this one, and thanks for watching.